Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to do not the road trip, but I'm going to Piazzale Michelangelo, which is the square on top of the hill where you see all Florence. Um, and if I cannot park there because there is a parking lot there and it's always busy because all the tourists, I'm going to go to San Miniato, which is a church on top of the hill uh, near Piazzale Michelangelo, and you see Florence from there. And weather is not. I mean, the sky is great, but the temperature is a bit chilly, 10 degrees, and it's wet because it rained all yesterday. Anyway, I'll come. You'll come with me. I'm going to do a time lapse around Florence and get to Piazzale Michelangelo, and then I'll show you around up there. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So I'm on top of the hill. Piazzale Michelangelo is full, and I'm on San Miniato, and this is the church. It's a beautiful church. It's not that big, but it's uh, monumental. And here is Florence, and you see the Dome of Florence there, the Brunelleschi Dome, and the Giotto Tower there. And behind there is Santa Croce, the Battistero, and that's Palazzo Vecchio. That's pretty cool. And it's full of tourists, of course. So people come from down there up. There are some roads, streets, and some steps to get up here, or you get the car, of course. If you go there, really cool. Anyway, there's a monumental cemetery here, down here, and in the back, there are famous people buried here, and this is the church. Very nice. If I can, I'll do some videos inside, but if there is a mess, I don't like to do it. Yeah. Anyway, it's really cool, you see. all the hills around Florence. It rained at night, so the air is clear. The other days we had a lot of pollution stuff. Pretty cool. Fun fact, and not many people know, and not even Italians, but if you see the church here, the front side is made of marble, okay, or stones, white stones. That is added in the 1800. It's not original from the church. The original stones from the church is like this, okay, and you can tell here, up here on the roof. So this white marble or stones was added later on in 1800, and that's valid for most of the churches that you see around, even the Dome of Florence and the Giotto Tower down there. You see all marble around. That's has been added in 1800, and the reason is because originally when they made those churches and those chapels and towers and all that stuff, they used stones and they used the marble to make statues and ornaments inside the palaces and inside the churches and all the things. So the original are the stones, and the white marble has been added, white or blue marble or gray has been added later on in 1800. Not many people know, not even Italians. Anyway, it's really, really nice. Down there is the Dome of Florence here, the Brunelleschi, and that's the pretty cool. So the road trip, actually the exit to Piazzale Michelangelo and the church was really nice. A good historical mentioning that I did for the marble and the facade of the churches. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. Please use it. You get up to 3 months of free FSD. And I have all my links about the accessories that I installed. Check them out. And please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification if you're already subscribed, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.